video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a paper pot for Pongal. So this can be said as a Pongal pot. So this is a very easy way of making a paper Pongal pot, and it is useful too. So I've already posted a video in my channel about how to make a Krishna pot with clay. So you guys can visit that for more information. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this beautiful Pongal pot. So for that, I'd like to wish you all a very happy Pongal. So for this, I'm just going to be taking a purple paper. So this almost looks like brown, so I'm taking this. So you guys can take any color you'd like. So I'm just going to be making the pot and sticking some cotton on the top for the Pongal, making it come out. So you guys can take anything you like. So you could just put some clay on top, and you can put this in any color. You can do it in any color, and you can also put any decoration on top of it. So as we take this paper, I'm going to be folding it in half as the first step. So step number 2 is that I'm going to be folding it in half one more time. So please make sure the folds are nice and visible. So now I'm just going to be folding this paper in this direction one time. So I just took half of an purple colored A4 sheet. So you guys can take brown or any color you like, as I said. Now I'm just going to be taking a marker and I'm going to be drawing the pot. So if you guys want both sides to be equal and you're not sure about your drawing, you could just fold this paper in half and you could draw the Pongal pot like over here. So after you open it and cut it, you'll get a beautiful Pongal pot. But I'm not going to be doing it because then the paper will get too thick and it will be hard to cut. So I'm just going to be using a marker to draw. You guys can use a pencil or anything you like. So I'm just going to be drawing a small line at the top part of the paper like this. Now I'm just going to be drawing a curved line like this. I'm going to be drawing another curve at the bottom part like this. So now I'm just going to be repeating the same step on the opposite side and I'm going to be connecting it. So you guys can use your own creativity to draw the pot. I'm just going to be drawing it simply like this. So you guys can draw it in an even bigger size if you like. Now I'm just going to be taking a scissor and I'm going to be cutting this out slowly. So please be careful while using a scissor because there are many incidents in which children cut their fingers. So if you're a small child, please ask an adult's help for cutting this and make sure that you're under adult supervision. So you guys can cut it a little bit past the line if you like, if you think that the lines are not perfect if you draw. Or if you use a pencil, you can just erase it or do anything you like. So please make sure that the bottom part is nice and thick because when you stick it together, it will become a little small. So make sure it's nice and broad and thick so that when we stick it, it will be in the correct size. So I'm going to be cutting it slowly like this. So after we cut this, I'm just going to be keeping this aside and I'm just going to be opening these parts like this. So as you guys can see, we'll have 8 parts, 8 pieces like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So next step is that I'm just going to be folding all these parts in half like this. So you guys can do it slowly. So please make sure that you cut it properly and fold it properly and you fold it in all the pieces like this. So if you guys have any ideas for my channel about what I should upload, you can definitely comment in the comment box and I'll try making it and I'll upload the video as soon as possible after I'm an expert at making it and good at making it. So gentle reminder, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now I'm the last one, so please make sure the folds are correct and if you do it wrongly, please cut it. So if you have like something a little strippy at the bottom, you can just cut it gently like this. So next step is that I'm just going to be taking a glue bottle. So please use a glue bottle and not a glue stick. I'm just going to be applying some glue at the back part of the paper over here. I'm going to be taking another part and I'm going to be pasting it over here. So I'm just going to be repeating the same step like this. So I've made many crafts like this using this trick. So if it's something that's hard for you guys to make, you can just draw it and cut it into many pieces. Or you just fold it and do it like this. Then you can stick all the pieces together and you can get this. So I'm making this for a pot. I've also used this trick for making origami ball and I also used it for making a Christmas ornament. So you guys can check out that in my Christmas playlist and paper craft playlist. So now also completed, I'm just going to be having a few more left. So if you guys have a doubt if you're doing it correctly, you can just open it over here and see if you get the perfect shape like this. So also subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this and stay tuned to my channel. So now I'm just going to be taking this part and I'm sticking it over here. So we only have 2 more. So you guys can fast forward the video if you like, or if you're following along, please do it slowly and gently. So you guys can put more decoration. You can just color it in after you stick it, or you can just stick some ornaments around it. or you can color it at the beginning and you could just stick it, or you could even put traces and anything you like. So it's depending upon your wish. So now it's the last one, so please focus on the last part. So after you stick this over here, I'm just going to be repeating the same step, and I'm going to be applying some glue over here. And I'm just going to be, after the glue is dried and you can spread the glue using any material, I'm just going to be turning it over and I'm going to be sticking this part. So please do it carefully, because if this part gets torn to pieces, then it won't look good. Now I'm just going to be separating it, so as you can see, as you guys can see, like it's grouped together. So you just have to open this properly over here and do it. So I'm just going to be separating it. So as you guys see, you should have 8 parts. So you should count it 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So please make sure that you have 8 pieces like this. So after you complete this, you guys can even apply some clay or Play-Doh over here to make it stand. So as you guys can see, this won't stand properly, but if you apply anything like that, then it will stand. Now I'm just going to be applying some glue at the top portion of the paper. So after you apply some glue on the top part, I'm just going to be taking some cotton. So you can get this from any stationery store, or you can just make it. You can watch videos about making cotton, or you can even take clay and I'm going to be sticking it on top of it. I'm just going to be pressing it. So this is like Pongal coming out from the Pongal pot. So as I said, you guys can also visit my making of Krishna pot. So it's made of clay. So it's easy to make it of clay, but its paper will be a little difficult, but this one will be really easy way. So now after we complete this, our paper Pongal pot is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Thank you for watching. Bye.